mine?
Yeah.
No, thank you.
You eat it now.
Why should I eat it?
Because but you barely have some. You have some. You barely not have some food in your belly. But you have some food.
Oh, you like shrimp, huh?
Yeah. But you barely for the daddy so.
Spaghetti.
But Dad like shrimp and Evelina like shrimp, but you not have you shrimp.
Yeah, Mama does not like shrimp.
But Peter, you barely barely need you shrimp for days. You like shrimp right now, but Evelina like. But I have my shrimp, and you have your shrimp. You take out your shoes and I'll be proud of you, okay?
She'll be proud of you, Jill.
I take tail off.
Take the tail off.
She did. She took the tail off.
But that is him shoes and Evelina's shoes, okay?
Yeah.